Hi everyone, welcome back to Steve's Garage. In today's video I'm installing some OEM Volvo Kick Guards because you can't trust kids. I actually have some aftermarket ones in the V70 and they work fine, but I wanted to go with the OEM ones for the XC90 because I think they'll fit and look better. They come in a nice little bag. On the back are instructions and a part number. I've included the part number in the description. You can Google that and find the best place to buy them. There's a couple different websites you can buy them from. Sometimes there's sales, sometimes there's not. So by Googling the part number you can ensure that you get the best price for these. As for the instructions, it shows how you can use it as a seat protector on the front of the seat or a kick guard on the back of the seat. I will show both styles of installation, but before that I want to just open them up and show you some details. Opening it up and unfolding it, there are two snap loops at the top, two mesh pockets, some stitching that runs down either side, along with some subtle Volvo branding that I honestly don't mind. They're vinyl with a subtle texture to them. It's kind of hard to explain. They don't feel like rubber, cloth, or leather. They just kind of feel nice. The backing, on the other hand, is smooth, feels a little plasticky or rubbery. I'm not going to say that it's waterproof, I haven't really dunked them to test that, but I will say it's plenty water resistant and it stands up great to toddlers' wet shoes. Now let's install these things on the car. First I'll show you how to put it on the seat itself. Just slip the smaller elastic loop over the headrest, spread the seat cover out, and you're all set. There are small openings on the cover so you can access the seat belt buckle, but they don't really match up that well in the bench seat XC90. That being said, I don't really think you want to sit on this anyway. There's pockets and those loops. I think this is more for protecting the seat from messy cargo or a small pet. If you're not concerned with accessing the buckle, you can slip the lower, larger elastic loop over the seat back as well. That'll keep the cover more secure, but for the sake of this video, I was trying to see if I could get the buckle through that opening in the cover. If you flip it over, on the lower back side, you'll see some Velcro tabs along with this larger elastic band. If you're going to use it as the kick guard for the front seat, tuck the lower portion up through the elastic band and attach the Velcro tabs. This will ensure that it's the correct size to install on the front seat back and not be dragging on the floor of the car. On to how I've been using them as a kick guard for the front seat backs. Take the larger lower elastic loop and slip it all the way down the seat back. Take the smaller elastic loop, slip it over the headrest just like you did on the back seats, and you're all done. The upper band fits nicely, it holds the seat cover right to the seat, and is completely out of your way when sitting in the front seat. Same thing goes for the lower band. You can see it here on the front lower seat back, but I can honestly say that sitting in the seat, you'll never notice it. Overall, they've been great. No fuss, they fit nicely, they look nice, and because we have the black seat backs, I honestly don't really notice them anymore. They just kind of fade into the interior. If you've got kids, pets, or maybe just looking to add a little bit of protection and utility to your Volvo, I highly suggest picking a set of these up. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future XC90 content. For now, you can check out some additional videos here. Thanks so much for watching.